Big opportunity alert. What if I told you that you can work at Google, get free training, real world project experience, and monthly stipend without needing years of experience? As the Google Apprenticeship Program 2026 is open now, and I will walk you through everything you need to know: eligibility, recruitment process, preparation strategies, and insider tips to maximize your chances. So, before moving next, hello everyone, I'm Namrita and welcome back to my channel Nam's World, where I post the videos related to internship opportunities, job opportunities, free courses, and tech related stuffs. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because your one subscribe keep me motivated to post such informational content. So without further delay, let's get started. It is a long term program for 1 or 2 years. It is structured hands on training plus projects at Google. It is open for engineering, BCA, MCA, commerce, arts, and more. Applications closes on September 14, 2005. The start date of this apprenticeship is March 2026. So the domains offered are: first one is software development, which will be for 12 months. Next one is data analytics, which will be for 24 months, that is 2 years. The third one is project management. It will be also for 24 months. And the fourth one is digital business marketing. That will be for 24 months. So you will spend 20% in structured learning and 80% on real world projects. Coming to the eligibility criteria: Indian citizen with Aadhaar linked to phone, bachelor's degree like engineering, commerce, arts, etc. You must have less than 1 year relevant work experience, no prior government apprenticeship enrollment. Next, coming to the recruitment process, first one will be resume screening. Like you need to highlight your projects and skills. So in my upcoming videos, I will post how to prepare a job ready resume. So stay tuned for it. If your resume gets shortlisted, then you will be selected for online aptitude test. They will ask both regarding logical reasoning and problem solving. The third one will be telephonic interview, like communication or something like kind of motivations. Fourth one is technical interview, domain specific knowledge means suppose you take software engineer or software development, regarding that field they will ask. If you take data analytics, they will ask based on that. Like they'll see your technical knowledge, technical skills and all. Next, after qualifying the fourth round, you will be getting into the fifth round, that is HR interview. Here they will see how well you communicate, your teamwork, adaptability and behavior things. So this is about HR interview. So next, coming to preparation strategy. First you need to face the online aptitude round, right? So how to prepare for this aptitude round? So first, select a topic. The important topics are quantitative aptitude, verbal and reasoning. So in quantitative aptitude, choose a topic. The main topics are time and work, brain problems, and for verbal, the main topics are grammar, sentence completion, reading comprehensions. And for reasoning, the main topics are direction, blood relations. So what you need to do is first pick a topic. Like suppose you're picking time and work. Watch any video lecture from the YouTube. Now go to India Bix. You can type India Bix in the Google, you will get. In that, you can practice all the previous year questions or sums. You can practice from them. The India Bix consists of everything A to Z of aptitudes like quantitative aptitude, verbal reasoning, everything. So let me show you it. Go to Google and type India Bix and click enter. So open the first link. See, see here you can get everything from general aptitude to uh, programming, technical MCQs, online tests, technical short answers, everything. You can just click here. For this Google, you need to prepare general aptitude, verbal and reasoning. So click on arithmetic aptitude. Here are the list of topics. Mainly focus on problems on train, time, distance, time and work. These are very important. Then go to other topics. In the similar way, in verbal reasoning also click on verbal ability. Here you can get a list of verbal reasoning topics. You can go through this website. So if you're planning to prepare for software development role, so you can watch the videos from the channels like Gate Smashers. In Gate Smashers, A to Z topics will be covered, and you can learn from 5 Minute Engineering YouTube channel, and also you can learn from Knowledge Gate YouTube channel. So watch this all, pick any one of the YouTube channel and start your preparation. And if you're planning for data analytics, then there is a YouTube channel called Code Basics. You can refer that YouTube channel for preparing for data analytics. And in a similar way, you can explore everything. Like you can search over the internet, like how previous year batches qualified for this, what they have prepared, and how they got selected. You can refer the internet or LinkedIn, etc. You can get the information from there. Next, coming to the project management. For project management, you can refer Google playlist. You can search them in Google. Next, for digital business marketing. For digital marketing, you can refer the Google digital marketing course. You can find it in Google. And you can also refer to the HubSpot. HubSpot is a course you can learn from that also. You can also use ChatGPT. You can just give the topic name and ask it to give the answers for it. You can easily learn from ChatGPT also. So this DBMS for technical round, DBMS, OS, SQL, Google Workspace, SEO, ads, and etc. If you are choosing software development, then you need to learn this DBMS, OS, SQL. So these all you can find in YouTube from Gate Smashers or 5 Minute Engineering and all. In the resumes, you need to highlight your project certifications and related skills, soft skills, technical skills and all. Next, you need to practice communication and behavioral interview prep. So why this matters? It bridges education and industry experience, inclusive eligibility beyond CS students like BCA, Commerce, Arts, and it is longer duration, ensures deeper learning, and the approximate stipend is rupees 35K to rupees 37K per month, means 35,000 to 37,000 per month. So register soon as the applications closes on September 14, 2025. Start preparing early, use free resources and mock test. So that's the reason I'm posting this video early. So start your preparation. So now let's see how to enroll in any one of the domains listed here. So all of these links I'll post in the description. Please check it out there. So let's see how to apply for software development domain. So here is the software application development domain. So let's apply. Click on apply. If you are not signed in already, it will ask you to sign in. Then after that, you will get this page. So, so firstly, you need to create your profile. You need to give your first name. Middle name is optional. Then last name. Then your suffix like Mr., Junior, Senior. And you can also even add your full preferred name. Then your email address, your country code and phone number. Then drag and drop your resume here. And they are asking here, do you currently or have you previously worked for an alphabet company like Google, Wamo, G5, etc. If you have worked, then you can select yes. If no, then no. Then personalize your Google Careers profile with job recommendation related content. If you want, then yes. If no, then no. So then click I understand. Then I hereby certify that. Click this, check this both and click on submit profile and continue. Then you will be moving to the career profile. After first step, the second step is career profile, where you need to fill your name, details, everything, your skills, where you need to fill your name, mobile number, skills, and all, and your education details, and your work experience, your skills, locations, cover letter, profile preferences, and all. After that, So in previous years, if you have applied for this, you can just update your resume here. So after that, you can select your preferred locations or optional additional locations. You can also add additional locations and then work authorization. Are you eligible to work in the country of employment? Click S. Do you currently need or will you someday require Google to sponsor work authorization for you to work in the country of employment? If you want S, then no. Then click on next. Next, voluntary self-identification. Go through this on. Select your gender, your race, then select your disability status. If you don't want to disclose, you can just click I choose not to disclose. So you should mention if you are currently serving in a military or have served in the past. So then click on I consent to the processing of my self-identification and then click on next. So you can just click I understand, then click on apply. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other video from my channel, you can just drop them in comment box. I'll surely try to reply to them. And if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. See you next video. Till then, bye bye.